Hello guys, today I'll teach you how to make money on binary options with no extra knowledge and skills, using one very profitable strategy that everyone can handle, trust me. And be sure to watch this video attentively because if you watch it till the end, you can make a stable profit on trading. I'm recording this video on your request, and you can find the best trading terms following the link in the description. Enjoy! So, what's the point of our trading strategy? You obviously need technical analysis knowledge for trading, but why learning something complicated if everything was done for us? The first thing to do is to go to the TradingView site. When entering it, you need to sign up, and after such registration, a panel is formed. To switch to candles as a chart type, we need to click this button. After that, the whole interface is opened. This is what we need. When you enter the site for the first time, it may be that there is no required currency pair there. And if that's so, we click on this plus button right here and fill in the name of the currency pair that we need. As we fill the name in, there is a huge list of pairs, but we need to choose the one with FXCM as a quotation provider. You can see it right here. And after that, you need to click plus button. I've already got this pair applied, and if it's not applied for you, you just need to click this plus button too. And our goal is choosing any currency pair. So let's check the right lower corner. There's the whole main information on price behavior on this currency pair. We go a little lower and see the scale on which the signal is written down. If we see the sell or strong sell is written in the signal, then in this moment we open a deal with lower. If we see there is buy or strong buy, then we open a deal with higher accordingly. And if we see neutral status is on, then we just leave this currency pair and look for another one. I hope I've explained everything clearly for you and we start trading. Hey, found the first case for you, and let's check the signal. There is strong sell written down, which means we're opening a deal with lower right now. And we move to the trading platform. Our deal is opened in this point. While it's proceeding, let me explain you why this signal is worth trusting. Well, the thing is, those signals are provided by the hugest platform for chart analysis and lots of traders use it, lots of them, trust me, and those signals are the major opinion. Moreover, all of these signals are based on technical analysis of this chart. As you see, we successfully get our profit, the signal worked out perfectly. Found another currency pair, we see the signal to buy, so we move to the trading platform and open a deal with higher or up. Our deal is opened, we're waiting for it to be closed. Let me give you an important advice, guys. The expiration time for the deal must be the same as the time frame. So, if there is a 1 minute time frame for me, then the expiration time for me is 1 minute accordingly. And be sure to watch the time frame set for the trading view. It's important, as these signals are provided in terms of the chosen time frame only. For me, it's 1 minute. Confidently close this deal in a profit! And let's look for other cases. Okay guys, found another great case. We see the signal to sell. We move to the trading platform and open a deal with lower. As the deal is in process, I wanted to share an advice with you, another one, yes. Make sure that the required currency pair is opened in advance, as you can just have not enough time to catch a good moment. And obviously, please accurately check which pair you choose. As for me, it happened a lot to me that I was analyzing one currency pair and I was opening a deal on another pair, yes, so please don't repeat my mistakes, always check the pairs that you're choosing. As you see, the deal is closed at a loss, but it's fine. Okay, we increase the bet amount for a new opening. But before we open some deal, we need to check the signal as it may be changed. Yes. So, as we see, our signal was not changed. This is why we can safely open a cover for $1,000. We open a deal. I highly recommend for trading, considering all of your risks, because sooner or later you get a loss, after which your balance may turn to zero, right? It is possible, and this is why, let me repeat, consider your risks. Well, yeah, if the deal is close to the profit, it would be just a miracle. Nevertheless, we're waiting for the closure. Wow, as we can see, the deal is close to the profit, but we didn't catch any strong movement. We've just caught a small movement on one candle. But what matters the most is that we've got a profit. We go on. Well, guys, I found another interesting case. We see the signal to sell and move to the trading platform. We open a deal with higher here. There is another advice I want to share with you, or hear me out when you open deals in this strategy. Please watch levels. If you see the signal to buy as I have right now, and meanwhile the price reaches a support level or level of resistance and you see it, this factor is a confirmation for this signal. I don't get it, guys. What that? Have a look at how perfectly the uptrend was proceeding at first, and then right now everything was changed. I don't get this unclear downtrend. What happened right by the candle's finish? This is why I double the bet amount and open a cover. Okay, fine. Right now we're observing just an awesome impulse. This is why the deal will be likely close to the profit. In total, thanks to the cover, we've caught an awesome trend. We go on. I saw the signal on another currency pair. There's a strong buy total. This is why we quickly moved to the trading platform and open a deal with higher. Our deal is opened. We're waiting for this deal's closure. Just have a look at these great movements that we're catching thanks to this simple strategy. Wow, this deal will be likely closed confidently in a profit. We're making another confident profit. Guys, I'm just shocked how this simple strategy helps us get in a profit almost every time. Oh my god. So, I see the signal to sell on another pair, and I quickly open a deal with lower. Besides signals themselves, I recommend you considering secondary factors. For example, if we see the signal with lower came out, meanwhile the general trend is downward, then it's another confirmation for this signal, and we can confidently open a deal with lower. Right now we can see once again how, thanks to this simple strategy, we're catching another great sharp impulse. Wow! So another awesome profit from this deal, and we sum up. Time to do it. Thanks to this simple strategy, we managed to earn more than $2,000. Just in a few minutes, literally. Oh my god, there are surely even simpler ways to earn money on trading, and I've told about them in my Telegram channel. The link is in the description. So I hope that after watching this video, you can stably earn on binary options. Thank you so much for watching.